Gibson, and I'm the principal designer and founder of AKG Design Studio. At AKG, we believe that exceptional design isn't luxury, it's the foundation for better life. Here, we specialize in creating high-impact functional spaces that are uniquely tailored to our clients' success and well-being. And that is exactly what this show is all about. So join me here each week on Design Tips and Sips as I walk you through functional and style tips, project deep dives, and key design concepts we use every day here at the studio. Ready to elevate your space and your lifestyle? Grab your sips and let's get started. All right, guys, I hope you grabbed your sip and you are ready for our next project reveal. I am super excited about this particular project. So it is one of the older townhouses in Reston in the South Lake community, which means that there is a lot of contemporary features and a lot of angles. My big joke about this area is that I think the architects used to be paid by the amount of angles that they can fit into the home. So the more angles, apparently they thought they're gonna pay more. But here we are, 40, 60, 50 years later, and we are trying to accommodate our new homeowner that just bought this property a little while ago and create a contemporary lifestyle for them. So we worked on the main floor and also the primary bathroom and the primary suite for them. So we're excited to show you what we did, and let's go. I love creating something out of nothing. So this was a client's idea, but I actually totally embraced that. So this was a random nook here in the middle of the house, which was unutilized. There was similar built-ins on the other side that we took it off, created window treatment, and then it created a perfect cozy workspace for the homeowner. But before that, it was kind of a random library, but now it's a perfect spot for your office. And again, still we left the built-in on this side, giving you the opportunity to display the art that she's been collecting from all around the world, and of course more greenery. So coming in, we wanted to create a little bit of a landing place where you can drop your keys, drop your phone when you come in, and again, create some kind of sense of an entrance as you walk up the stairs into the main level. And one of the things I wanted to do is, again, utilize the beautiful art that the clients collected with the beautiful Parsons style entry bench. And again, playing with the different colors of the woods between dark and light to create depth into the space. So let's see the rest of it. Coming in, again, as I said, it was kind of a funky place with all these angles. I wanted to make sure that there's plenty of room to walk in as you go into the kitchen, so you can actually go with all the groceries, but at the same time created this beautiful, cozy space. This green, I absolutely love that color that we selected for the wall, and everything really leads. I know it's hard to see because we have that caution line right now, but it leads to this beautiful lake view that the clients have with this separate sitting area. Again, with these, we have two different angles with different focal points. And one of the things we had to make a decision is whether we're keeping the fireplace as a focal point or not. And I decided that we don't. This we actually utilize in the space for the plant collection that the clients have, and really the view of the lake is the winner in this home from every window. So this is where they can sit in the morning, enjoy their coffee, look at the beautiful view and the birds and the trees, and really feel serene in their space. And at the same time, we have a really great gathering. You can still lay here and watch TV. You have plenty of room for at least 4 or 5 people to sit here easily. And as you transition into the kitchen, we selected a new chandelier and furnishing for this room, repainted it. And again, the winner of this house and location is absolutely the views. So we wanted to play with a very contemporary lighting fixtures, but at the same time bring a little bit of that mid-century feel of the actual building and the community. But also I did not want it to obstruct the beautiful view of the lake that we have here. So we have a lot of mid-century nods for the community, for the years that this townhouse was built, but at the same time, we also have a lot of biophilic and nature coming into this house. And I think this creates a really beautiful combination and very cozy space for our homeowners. This house is a small townhouse in Reston, around the South Lake community. And the homeowners literally just bought it less than a year ago. And this bathroom and closet was absolutely disaster. So check out the before pictures. It's like really, really crazy. So I guess the previous owner did whatever they thought was possible, but it was time for us to come and refresh, really reimagine the space and create a beautiful new space for our clients. So we worked with them on their bathroom, closet, bedroom. We did the whole primary suite and also the main floor. So this area, as you can see, had no storage whatsoever, which was really, really hard, horrible colors. And one of the things that we did need to consider while we're doing the design here is that the homeowner did not want to redo the whole bathroom. So we needed to make sure that the colors that we're selecting still working with the existing shower and the tub, so everything flows and doesn't look too alienated and make it look like the old stuff and the new stuff do not coordinate. So hopefully we managed to do that. So just to explain and tell you what we did. So we added a whole set of storage over here, beautiful countertop. We have this beautiful weight point cabinetry with the thin shaker, create a nice contemporary yet soft and romantic look with a beautiful Taj Mahal quartzite countertops. We also create a whole storage area over here, and this was originally the access to the closet. Again, there's a HVAC shaft over here, and it was crazy. You had two little holes to walk through it. We actually brought it in a little bit because there was a lot of empty walking spaces. I love sprawling bathrooms, but there's no reason to. You're not dancing here. Well, maybe you are dancing in the morning, but you're not. It's not a ballroom. You just need enough room for two people if you're here at the same time, but you don't need room to go skateboarding. I don't know what you can do with that spaces. So this wall was built out to accommodate a little bit more space in the closet, creating beautiful countertop space here for additional storage and prep. This has additional storage, of course, a linen closet, refresh the paint, the lights, and I'm really, really excited how it turned out. So let's go see the closet. So there was no door here. There was a wall here. As I told you, the access to the closet was through the bedroom. So we closed it, utilized it for additional space and storage in the bathroom, opened this door, and now we have this beautiful custom closet. Also, the washer and dryer was literally stuck in here, again, inside the closet. So we actually move it to the side, turn the entry to the closet from the hallway. So now everybody can use the washer and dryer without needing to come into your bedroom and open up a whole new space. It was like, guys, look at these before photos. It's just insane. It was a maze here, disjointed, absolutely crazy. And now we have beautiful, plenty of storage space, plenty of walking around, and nice and clear. And usable storage. So I'm really excited how this closet ended up turning. All right, that was fun. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Hopefully you got some inspiration for your own project. So again, I'm Anna Gibson with AKG Design Studio. Hopefully you enjoyed our show. If you did, please make sure you share it with your friends, family, and anyone you care about that you want them to have a fabulous space. If you want to connect with me, our website is www.akgdesignstudio. If you want to be a guest on the show or have us film from your location, make sure to connect with me. All the notes are in the show notes. And until next time, cheers.